Hey, what's up? Hope all is well. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the ALLDOCUBE iPlay. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and check out the ALLDOCUBE tablet right here. This is the iPlay 60 Mini Pro. And so this is going to offer a lot of cool features. I want to start out by unboxing it and then kind of giving a walkthrough. So we're going to go ahead and take the plastic off. Go ahead, get this thing out of the packaging. All right, so this is going to be pretty straightforward. You just go ahead, pop it out of the box. All right, so it basically slides out just like this. And then you can lift it up right out of the box right now. So one of the solid things about this tablet is it's going to give you 16 gigabytes of memory, and also it's going to give you two different storage options. So you're going to get two different options, the 128 or you're going to get the 256 option. So that's going to be pretty cool when it comes to this tablet. It's also going to give you 4G LTE with Android 14. And so I definitely think this is going to be pretty solid, especially if you want to actually use a bigger display. So you get your accessories right here, and also you can actually pop this open right now. So inside of here, we're going to be greeted with a couple of different accessories. It looks like the cable is inside of there. So let's go ahead, open up both sides to see which part comes out first. So you get your charging brick inside. That's actually really nice to see nowadays. And then the cable wants to come out as well. So right here, you're actually getting a cable for charging. It's going to be the Type-C to the Type-A cable. And then you're also going to get a pin for removing your, SIM card, as well as expanding the storage. So good accessories right out of the box. And so you do get your border that you could pop right out. And then you're going to get your tablet right next to it. You do also get some instructions right here. So this is going to be pretty straightforward. It's going to show you the 8.4 inch basically user guide right here. Going to give you it in a couple of different languages as well. So you could get your own language depending on which region you're living in. And then that's pretty much everything. So let's go ahead, put this off to the side for just 1 second. Kind of take a look at the tablet right now. So it is in this plastic sleeve right here. Let's go ahead, take it out, give it some power as well. And then go ahead and remove the film that's on the front. All right, so we're gonna wait for the tablet to boot up and begin loading and everything like that. So definitely has a nice body to it, feels really good in the hand. You get some really nice metal, cold to the touch when it comes to the feel. So I really like the overall build quality of this tablet. Has some rounded corners. It doesn't look too borderless, but it still has just the right amount of bezel to it. Also, it's gonna have a beautiful panel on here, and the panel on this device is gonna give you a 1920 by 1200 when it comes to the display. So this tablet also does support Widevine, which is cool. Let's go ahead, hit start. You can see that the tablet does have a little bit of reflections when it comes to looking at it. So we're going to go ahead, skip this part right here where it says to connect to the SIM. Then we can actually connect to the Wi-Fi right now by entering the password. So let's go ahead, type that in. Very nice vibration feedback on here when I was typing that in. So it says that it's getting ready to connect to the Wi-Fi. So after it connects to the Wi-Fi, we could listen to the sound quality and go through the OS and everything like that. So you can, like I said, you can get it in two different variants, 189 for the 128, 256 it says for the one, for the 256 it says it's 159. So I'm not sure why they did that, but the 128 is more money than the 256. So I think that's a mistake on the website. So right here, you can see it says right here, getting the tablet ready. So let's just look at the design. You get that single camera on the back. It shows you the build quality right here. You get that metal, which is gonna be really solid. So I definitely think that's gonna be pretty cool as well. And so the other thing about this tablet is that it's optimized for performance. So right here, you can see we're gonna get ready. Don't copy. All right, so now it says you can basically use it as an adult or a teen or a child. So obviously I'm gonna hit right here, the first option, and then skip the Google sign in. And then go ahead and accept everything. Now we're gonna create a PIN number for the tablet. And so one of the things that this tablet also does pretty well is that it does have a Widevine L1, which is going to be cool. And so you can see we get this nice little notification panel on the right of it, which allows you to control not only your volume, but also the brightness. So we put that all the way up and you can see a little bit of reflections on there, but it still looks really good. And then you have your time, all your stuff on the right side. And obviously you can edit, you could hit edit and get more options right there. So you can add all your shortcuts on there. So dark theme, hotspot, battery savers, screencast as well, and location, sound recording. And then a few more options right here, nearby share, which is actually quick share. So that is going to be pretty much it when it comes to the control panels that I want to use. Swiping up, then swiping back down, you're going to get your notification panel right here. So you have an update right out of the box. So this is, you just want to allow that, and then it's in another language basically right here. So let's go ahead, hit download, and it's only 11 megabytes. So it's already installing. So that's a very fast update when it comes to this tablet. So taking a look at it, I really like the panel where it comes down on the right and then notifications on the left on Android 14 on this OS. And then you have your app drawer as well. So that looks really clean, and it feels really clean as far as the OS on here. So going into Wi-Fi, you can see I'm connected, Bluetooth. You could actually turn that on and you get Bluetooth 5.2 on here, 4G LTE with the mobile networks. You also do get your Wi-Fi hotspot and sharing and connections, as well as the brightness, which you can actually customize some of these on here down below. And then so when it comes to the refresh rate, it's going to be 60 Hertz. No option to change it, but it does feel very smooth. Your notification bars and notifications in this is going to have actual, you're going to be able to take phone calls and text messages because it has those apps pre-installed on here. Going down to your sound, you're also going to get tap to click sounds. You could turn all of that on, and vibrations and haptics is on as well. And you know, it does give you the option to customize some of those. So really nice stuff here. Going down to apps, settings, and also security and privacy as well. Battery, tablet features, so you get wireless projection, super screenshot, floating window, smart sidebar on here as well. And then you also have the landscape display, split screen mode, floating ball, turn smart off and on screen, and schedule power on and off. So these are all of our features. And then you can see we have Speed on this as well as, my device, which is going to give you all of your specs. So you can see the 14 gigabytes of RAM running on the ALLDOCUBE OS 3.0 with the iPlay 6D Mini Pro. And then you have the MediaTek G99, 8 gigabytes of RAM. When you can increase it to 8, you will have to restart it, but let's restart later. And then you have your cameras, a 13 megapixel and a 5, Android 14 as well. So I'm pretty impressed with this. Let's go ahead and look at the wallpapers, but the display looks absolutely beautiful. And then you can see we have some very premium wallpapers. I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. So I'll change this one to my lock screen because that one looks really good as well. And yeah, so when I lock the tablet, I also get a nice little lock screen to play around with. So yeah, this is gonna be really cool. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is that you do get pin unlock on here, but you don't have the option to actually do facial recognition or fingerprint sensors, but that's okay because the price of it is going to be well worth it. So if you go to security, systems and settings, gestures, so you could change your gestures to the buttons if you wanted to as well, if you like that better. Security right here, it's only going to give you, it actually gives you face unlock. So we actually do get face unlock. I'm going to go ahead and set that up real quick and then agree to it. But one of the things I'm looking forward to is actually putting my SIM card in here and using this as a regular phone, because I had the iPlay Mini Pro, the iPlay, the one before this one, this is actually the 60. I had the 50 as well. So this one's gonna definitely be beefed up. It's gonna also be having a better charging speed as well. So you're gonna be able to get 6,050 milliamp hour battery with the PD 18 watts power to charge it up. And then, really good features, split screen, multitasking, redesigned control center, and then like really good UI on here and top-notch performance when it comes to gaming. So let me know what you guys think about this tablet. If you're still here, just type down below in the comment section. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I definitely think you're going to be using this for gaming and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and listen to the sound quality inside of YouTube. And it just recognized my face, so the facial recognition does work on here right out of the gun. I'm going to just put a random video on and let's look at the quality, but this feels really good in the hand right now. This is crazy. I definitely feel like I could use this as an everyday device because the screen is gorgeous. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about right now. So here is a video right now in 8K. Let's go ahead and test out the quality, but you can see if I go into settings and go to advanced, wait, I missed touch that one. Let me go into advanced, and right here, I did it again. I'm behind a camera, so it's harder to hit the buttons. Additional settings. And where's the screen quality right now? 1440, 60 frames per second. So that's actually really good. You're gonna get some really good quality when it comes to this tablet as far as videos. So I definitely think it's gonna have some good quality when it comes to the display. Let me see if I could hit play, get a different video going. And turn up the volume a little bit so you can kind of hear that. Yeah, really good volume. I like the volume. It's increased the quality on this video. The volume sounds really good and the picture quality is very stunning. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a solid tablet overall. I definitely like it so far. So yeah, I definitely like it. One of the last things that I was thinking about doing, I can't actually remember right now, but we're going to jump into this a lot more. I definitely want to get into it and see what this thing can offer. But let me know what you guys think about the ALLDOCUBE 60 Mini Pro in the comment section. I'm going to check you guys later. I'll hit you back. But if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people. And later, crew. Peace.